Today we will solve few numericals. Before solving numericals, we should know few things. Can make it note of this. So first one is a power. Power can be calculated using formula. Power is equal to work done per second divided by 1000. The unit will be kilowatt, that is small k capital W. So work done per second, we have already derived the equation for work done per second. Second thing is efficiency. Efficiency can be denoted by eta. So that is equal to output of jet per second divided by input of jet per second. So output of jet per second is nothing but work done by jet per second. So we have already derived the equation for this. So the unit will be Newton meter per second. So input of jet per second can be calculated by using formula, that is equal to kinetic energy of jet. So that is equal to half into mv square, that is half into mass per second into v square, that is half into mass per second can be substituted by rho into a into v, so into v square, so that is half into rho into a v cube. The unit will be Newton meter per second. So we can express efficiency in terms of percentage. Let us go through this question. A jet of water of diameter 10 centimeter strikes a flat plate normally with a velocity of 15 meter per second. The plate is moving with a velocity of 6 meter per second in the direction of jet and away from the jet. Find first one, the force exerted by jet on the plate. Second one, work done by jet on the plate per second. Third one, find the power and efficiency of jet. So let us write down the given data by reading the question. So initially they have given the diameter of jet d is equal to 10 centimeter. So let us write diameter d is equal to 10 centimeter. So that is equal to 0.1 meter. So we can calculate here area by knowing the diameter. Area of jet A is equal to pi by 4 into d square. So that is equal to pi by 4 into 0.1 square. So if we solve it, we will get area is equal to 0.007854 meter square. So next let us see what is given. So here it is given the velocity of jet is given as 15 meter per second. So you can write it as velocity of jet v is equal to 15 meter per second. Similarly, it is given the plate is moving at the velocity of 6 meter per second. So take it as velocity of plate u is equal to 6 meter per second. So what you have to calculate, the first thing is the force exerted by jet on the plate. So that is nothing but first one, force exerted by jet on plate. So that is nothing but Fx. So the formula for Fx for the moving flat vertical plate is the formula for calculating the force exerted in the direction of jet is nothing but f x is equal to rho into a into v minus u whole square. So let us substitute the value. 1000 into area is 0.007854 into v is 15 and u is 6 its square. If you solve it, this you will get fx is equal to 636.17 Newton. So let us go to the second part. So that is work done by the jet per second. So that is nothing but we have to calculate what is the work done. Work done per second. So that is given by work done per second is equal to force into velocity of plate. So fx into u. So fx we have calculated it as 636.17 into u is velocity of jet. So that is equal to 6. We will get answer that is equal to 3817.02 Newton meter per second. So let us go with the third part. So that is for the above problem, find the power and efficiency of a jet. So we have to calculate what is the power and also the efficiency. So we can calculate power. Power is equal to nothing but work done per second divided by 1000. So what is work done per second? So that is nothing but 38170.2 17.02 divided by 1000. So we will get answer is equal to 3.817 kilowatt. So next thing is efficiency. So that is denoted by eta, that is equal to output of jet per second divided by input of jet per second. So what is output? So output of jet per second is equal to work done per so that is equal to Newton meter per second. So next we should go with the input of jet. So that is equal to half into rho into a into v cube. So half into rho is 1000 is equal to 0.007854 into velocity of jet, so that is nothing but 15 cube. So we should solve it. We'll get answer as 13,253.6 Newton per meter. So should now calculate what is efficiency. So that is nothing but output divided by input. So output we got it as 3817.02 and input is 132.53.6. so that is equal to 28.8%. I will attach here similar type of numericals where only the datas are different. So you can solve this problem referring the previous one and can post your answer in the comment box. Thank you.